Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this today's video, we are going to create a beautiful blue-green smoky eye look. It is very easy, and to start this look, prep your eyes with some good concealer and a powder, and then start with a eye pencil. I am taking a blue eye pencil. This is more of like a teal color, and it's a very affordable pencil. I bought it from Revlon, I think just for $12, and just create a liner and then start to bring that liner extended towards your middle of eyelid. And then I am also putting the same pencil in my waterline as well in the lower lash. Then I went with a green eyeshadow in Morphe 35C palette, and this is a dark green shadow. So I am using a small blending brush in outer corner of my eye and packing this green shade. And when I'm packing, I'm blending as well, because it's a small blending brush, so definitely it will give me a good precision. And I'm packing the shade on my blue pencil and bringing it towards the middle of my lid. Now you are thinking why I used blue pencil. It's just if you use a pencil and then apply eyeshadow, the color is really good. You get that color payoff. Otherwise your color may fade and will look little bit of faded green. So I didn't want that. I wanted the color to look pretty. So now I'm going in with this beautiful brownish lightish shade. I don't know what the shade is. It's very different and it's creamy tone with the blue brown hue. And I'm just packing this shade in the middle of my eyelid, and I haven't changed my brush. I am using the same brush because anyway I wanted that transition, so whatever color was left over from my previous shade, it will definitely be in my center lid. Then I went in with this beautiful shimmer shade from the same palette. Again, I didn't change my brush. I use same brush. The benefit of using same brush is you get good color payoff and it gives nice transition. Now it's time to change the brush, and I went in with the flat brush to pick my shimmer. Now the trick for picking shimmer is just wet the brush with the setting spray and apply it on your lid, or use your finger to get the good color payoff. After that I took a clean blending brush and blended all the shades together. That's it, we are done. And now I'm just taking a concealer to clean my outer wing to give a nice sharp wing, and then just blending my lower lash with the leftover green color. Now I'm applying mascara on my lid and applied some lashes on the top. This is my final look. It is absolutely easy. You can wear this look in party, cocktail, engagement, wherever you want. Hope you love this video, and if you do, then do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next video.